refreshing, rejuvenating, and ridiculously healthy. That's watermelon for you. Not only is it a sweet and tangy snack, but it also packs with benefits that will make you feel like a brand new person. So let's dive in and explore the amazing advantages of this tasty summer treat, watermelon. Watermelon is 90% water, which makes it the best source of hydration for the body. It is far better than alcohol, caffeine in terms of being a diuretic, okay? It doesn't stress the kidney because the water from watermelon is natural. It's a natural source of water. It might help to reduce sore from the muscles. I have experimented this and it's worked for me, okay? There was a period I was always going to the gym. Like in a week, I visited the gym for 6 good days and come and see the soreness I felt on my muscles. I kept complaining I don't climb the stairs very well. Then I researched and found out the benefits of watermelon in that aspect. I jumped on it, and in just few days, I got relief from the soreness I felt from my muscle. So if your sore muscle troubles you after a workout, just get a watermelon and eat, and you will feel relief from it. This is because watermelon is packed with electrolytes and amino acid citrulline, which helps to soothe the wounds. Watermelon is also a good source of potassium, the nutrient that is known to lower high blood pressure. Watermelon improves skin health. It's a source of vitamin C, the nutrient that is essential for collagen synthesis. If you want that glow, if you don't want to have a flaky skin, eat watermelon. It contains vitamin A, which is another important nutrient that contributes to our skin health. Okay, without the nutrient, the skin will look dull and flaky. Watermelon improves heart health. Watermelon keeps the heart healthy. According to research, having a slice of watermelon every day can halt the accumulation of bad cholesterol, thereby preventing heart diseases. It helps in our hair, like it helps in the hair collagen synthesis, hair growth, skin health, strengthens the hair, and all of those goodness. Vitamin A in watermelon is another important nutrient that contributes to the skin health. It repels and creates new skin cells, okay? Worn-out tissues and all of that. Vitamin A helps to renew worn-out tissues, and you can get that from watermelon. Okay, vitamin C is major here, is good for the bone and aids in wounds healing. If you have gone through surgery before, you always find vitamin C in the drugs that the doctors and nurses will pack for you when you're leaving the hospital. And they will also go on to encourage you to take more vitamin C. Of course, it's because it helps in healing. Okay, it helps in healing. And where else can you find this if not in natural fruits, things like watermelon and the rest? Eating watermelon helps in lycopene supplementation, which prevents osteoporosis. The grammar is too big, be osteobone, yeah, bone fractures and the rest. Watermelon is that good. Vitamin A in watermelon has been linked to bone growth. Of course, our bones still grow. Yeah, it aids in weight loss. Guys, if you're like me that wants to lose weight every Eke market days, watermelon is your goal. If you check around the internet, you'll see that a lot of people doing 3 days watermelon fast, 7 days watermelon fast. I'm not saying you should do that. I have not tried that because most of these things is best to check with your physician before you jump on them. Okay, but what I'm saying is that you can include watermelon in your daily meal, if not daily, every other day to reap of its benefits. Okay, yeah, it helps in weight loss. Yes, it contains high water content, which can fill you up with fewer calories. Watermelon has also been found to speed up metabolism and flush toxins from the body, which eventually contributes to weight loss. So, it's in abundance in this season. You just have to add them, include them in your daily diet. Eat watermelon. It strengthens the immunity. Watermelon fruit also contains vitamin B6 that helps the immune system and protect it from infections. Okay, it promotes healthy gums. Vitamin C in watermelon keeps capillaries and gums healthy. Deficiency of vitamin C causes bleeding gums. Okay, so watermelon can help you prevent these conditions, that is having your gum bleed at every little thing. So let me know if you'll be eating a watermelon today, tomorrow, or next tomorrow. Watermelon is so good to your health. Okay, thank you so much if you have watched this point. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.